When 20 gram of calcium carbonate in a 10-liter flask is heated to 800 degrees centigrade, 35% of it did not dissociate. Calculate Kp for the equilibrium. जो equilibrium reaction है वो क्या है? What is the equilibrium reaction? Calcium carbonate dissociates into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Now calcium carbonate is in solid state, calcium oxide is in solid state. So they won't exert any vapor pressure. The vapor pressure is entirely due to the carbon dioxide gas. 35% did not dissociate. So what percentage dissociated? Percentage of calcium carbonate dissociated is 100 minus 35, which is equal to 65%. 65% of the calcium carbonate present dissociated. Now what is the moles of calcium carbonate present? Moles per liter. Moles of calcium carbonate is equal to weight of calcium carbonate, which is given in the question as 20 gram, divided by molecular weight of calcium carbonate, that is 100, and this is equal to 0.2 moles. Now the concentration of calcium carbonate in moles per liter will be 0.2 divided by 10, and this is equal to 0.02 moles per liter. Now out of this, only 65% dissociated. So amount of calcium carbonate dissociated is 65% of 0.02, which is equal to 65 by 100 into 0.02, and this is equal to 0.013. So this is the amount of calcium carbonate that is dissociated. Now 1 mole of calcium carbonate dissociates to give 1 mole of calcium oxide and 1 mole of carbon dioxide, as can be seen from this balanced equation. So 0.013 moles of calcium carbonate will dissociate to give 0.013 moles of calcium oxide and 0.013 moles of carbon dioxide. Now Kp, value of Kp is equal to partial pressure of carbon dioxide. Why this is so? Because all other reactants and products are in solid state. Like calcium carbonate is in solid state, calcium oxide is in solid state. So those reactants and products that are in solid state will not exert any vapor pressure. Only carbon dioxide is in gaseous state, so it will exert vapor pressure. So value of Kp is equal to partial pressure of carbon dioxide. Now how to find the partial pressure of carbon dioxide? Applying the formula PV is equal to nRT. So P is equal to N by V RT. Now the amount of calcium carbonate in moles per liter that dissociated is 0.013. So value of N by V is equal to 0.013. So pressure is equal to 0.013 into 0.0821 into temperature. Now what will be the temperature? Temperature is equal to temperature in centigrade plus 273. This will give the temperature in Kelvin. This is equal to 1073. So 0.013 into value of R, that is 0.0821, into temperature, that is 1073. So this is equal to 1.145 atmosphere. Here we have divided 0.2 by volume of the container. So we are getting the concentration of calcium carbonate in moles per liter. And once we find out 65% of 0.02, then that answer is also in moles per liter. So here value of N by V is equal to 0.013 multiplied by value of R and temperature. The pressure exerted by carbon dioxide is 1.145 atmosphere. So value of Kp is equal to partial pressure of carbon dioxide, which is equal to 1.145 atmosphere.